Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We just got home from our trip. Today is Monday. And I'm about to see what's up with my watermelon. I wonder if they're still alive. They haven't had, I don't know if it rained this weekend or not, but they haven't had water in about 3 days. Okay, I see. All right, it's still green. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 this is not good. This is not good at all, it don't look like. Everything done dried up pretty much. No, those are my leaves. But this is the water, and yeah. Everything's pretty much dried up. This is my big boy. Let's see how he's doing. I mean, oh snap! I thought he actually came off the vine, but nah, he's still hooked on there, and I actually think he is done. I read somewhere online where when the curly thing above the watermelon dries up or curls up, that means it's ready to harvest. But I don't know if it's this brown piece right here, or if it's this, or if it's that. I don't know. Let's check this one out over here. I mean, he's still good. He still looks like an average watermelon. I mean, this one over here still hasn't grown. This, I think he's done. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to give him some more nutrients, about to give him some more of that Miracle-Gro mix, and see if that helps anything. All right, so my plants just got their nutrients. I'm thinking if nothing changes from this watering, I'm gonna give it 1 more week, and after that, I'm just gonna pick them. That's it. It's August. It's time. I've had these in the ground since what, March, April, and it's August. 5-6 months later. Yeah, it's time. If they haven't grown by now, it's done. Finito. It's over. So yeah, tune back in when it's harvest day. Bye.